I've been told that you're tired of being broke and you want to make some extra money. So in this video, I'm going to show you a trick how to have ChatGPT help you make $500 a day. And it's going to be the one doing most of the work. Don't worry, I'm going to break it down for you step by step with doing as less work as possible using the new cutting edge GPT. Now, the very first thing that you're going to need to do is subscribe to my channel. I come out with Make Money Online, stuff about affiliate marketing all the time. So if you want to learn these new techniques, how to stay up with making money online, and I teach from how to do something from completely free or the best course that's out there, the easiest way to make money, listen, you want to subscribe and ring the notification bell. When I do come up with new videos, you ain't going to miss them. So the second thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open a ChatGPT account if you haven't done it already. So go ahead and go to openai.com and simply create your account. Now, technically this would be the third thing. So the third thing you're going to need is obviously you're going to need an offer. In order to show you this GPT trick, you need an offer. So let me help you find one. Okay, we are going to go to clickbank.com. Now, I like ClickBank because there's a lot of free offers that you can use that you can make a lot of money on. And again, did you see the word free? It's free, where a lot of offers you have to be in a program or you have to pay in order to promote it. So if you go to clickbank.com, it has tons. These are affiliate offers. So if you go over to Marketplace, and they have all kinds of offers from health and fitness to e-business and e-marketing, home and gardening, which actually technically this time of year right now would be really popular. But I'm going to go to top offers. Now I kind of have an idea what I'm looking for. That's not it. We don't want a juice, new monster, the dental. No, the gravity score tells how good it is. Let's see how good it's selling and everything. Brain memory. I want to go to the next one. Just because they're not on the front page doesn't mean they're not good. Wealth manifestation. I kind of like that. Moon reading. I like this one. Okay, the gravity score is 314. Okay. This is the money that you're going to be making. It even has reoccurring. I like those. Oh yeah. Okay, brand new unique wealth manifestation offer is a conversion monster and converts at more than 2.2%. Don't believe, send some tests. Okay. So if you click right here, and if you want to check it out, you can always click on the affiliate page and check it out. Make sure it looks something like you really want to promote. So if you go here and click promote, click create hop link, copy. Okay, now this right here, this is your affiliate link. This is going to be the link that people are going to click on and make you money. Now we're going to go to vocal.media. Now, don't worry, I'm going to help you. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do with GPT's help. Okay, create story. Sign in first and create an account if you don't have one. Okay, stop. Now, let's just go back to your offer. Now, if this was software, I don't know, steps.com, it was talking about how to do steps. You could do a review. You could write a whole total review on it. Or, since we know this is about manifestation, we literally could just write an article about manifestation. So what I'm going to do is, remember how I said you can click on the affiliate page? Let's actually click on the affiliate page and kind of look at it. Depending on how well known it is, whether ChatGPT will know what it is. It may not. That's okay. And I wouldn't use this exact offer. As you can tell, I literally just pulled it out of my butt. Find something that you can relate to, or that you know something a little about, not about the software, or about what you're promoting, something that I'll show you why. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just copy this. Okay, then if you haven't signed in, go ahead. Now's the time. Sign in into ChatGPT. So the whole key to using ChatGPT is how to ask the questions. Okay, So we're going to have it write the whole article for us and highlight all the important parts with also adding a title and subtitle. I don't know if it'll work or not. Let's find out. Okay. This is doing way better than I thought it was. Sometimes you never know what you get. I'm going to put, can you elaborate on each, I almost put topic, each paragraph. I don't know if that'll work. Sometimes I do that. I'll tell something to do at a 5th grade level. Okay, what it did is it just rewrote what I said and then made it where a 5th grader could read it. And it did go into more detail, but I didn't like it. I liked the way it did this better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the title. And then we're going to go back to vocal.media, and we have our title here. If you haven't done it already, create story, and that's where it leads you to here, to the title. Okay, and we're going to paste it. And I already knew it was going to ask us for a subtitle. And remember, I asked for a subtitle. We can upload an image. I like this. We can upload our own. We can upload our own, or you can click on Unsplash Image. I'm just going to choose that one. All right, and then we're going to go back to ChatGPT. Okay, we're going to highlight everything. Okay, and then see what it says, start writing, paste. Now, one of the reasons why I said, pick something that you'd like, because I don't literally just copy everything. So I know we just copied everything in here. No, if I were you, I would tweak it and change some things, read through it and just change a few things. And it's easier if it's something that you like or you're interested in. That's the reason why I said that. So we want to go back to ClickBank. So remember, we have our hot link. We're going to copy that. And actually, it did this perfect because it says wealth DNA code, because normally I would put learn more about wealth DNA code here or something like that. But then it literally says, then you might want to check out. So it was perfect, and I didn't even ask it to do that for me. So if you highlight it, click on link, paste, then we have our raw link there. So when someone clicks on it, we make some money. Hey, do me a favor. If you like this or you think it's cool in any kind of way, do me a favor and like the video, because it helps the algorithm, which in turn helps me help make more videos for you. Okay, we're not done yet. Okay, now click on Save Changes. We got our little article. You can go in and make it more nice and neater if you want to. Now we're going to go over to Quora. Okay, and we're going to type in wealth manifestation. Okay, and I already did a search for it. And there's a lot of people that get on here and they ask questions. This in here, even more training from over a decade ago, almost 2 decades, law of attraction. I would put all the negative people together. Okay, this will work. So there's not very many answers to it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to answer it. But we're going to go back over to ChatGPT to do our job for us. Write me a blog. Okay, it did a really good job. It did a really good job. Copy. Go back to Quora. Paste. Okay, now I went ahead and tweaked it up just a little bit, and I added a picture, just went and copied and pasted it off the net. And then, actually, no, I don't want to lie. I had that one on my computer, and I made that bold, made this bold. Take action. I put all that in bold. Then, if you go to the end of your answer, okay, go back to the article, and just at the very, and it's not showing it right now, at the very, very top, that's a link. Just highlight the whole thing. Then go back to Quora and paste it. And then when someone clicks on it, boom. Yeah. And then when they buy, that's money. That's money. All right, everyone. I hope you like that trick. It's free and easy. I mean, this took maybe 10 minutes to do. So if you wanted to, you could keep just doing that again and again and again over all kinds of different products. And it doesn't even have to be in your niche. In doing something like this, you could do in a completely different niche if you want. Now, I love showing you how to do all of this, make money online for free and easy and simple, and I love using ChatGPT. But if you want to learn more and you want to get some more in-depth, the first link has some free training that's to die for. So go ahead and check that out, and then check me out on the next video, because if you liked this video, something tells me you're going to like that one, and I'm in it. So I'll see you there.